Hello, Crimmel Knight families. My name is Mr. Harper, and I'm the proud principal at Crimmel Intermediate. It is our hope that you were able to attend our Crimmel Open House, but we realize that sometimes previous engagements and even the weather can prevent us from making these events. We wanted to make sure that our parents still had access to the information that we provided at our open house. Last year, we created a virtual resource since we were not able to have a face-to-face open house. So we have updated this resource and are sharing it with all of our families. The website is formatted with an introduction homepage and then a menu that is divided by content area. You are welcome to jump around your student's schedule and click on the content area followed by the teacher's name. Then you can view the teacher's presentation by PowerPoint, video, or other media formats. If you have questions for a specific teacher, I would invite you to fill out the Google form on the front page labeled Parent Questions. You can fill out the form multiple times for different teachers. These questions will be shared with the teacher, and then you should expect a response within 24 to 48 hours. Please know that we appreciate everyone's efforts to stay connected and support student success. Continue to check Skyward to see how your student is doing, and watch us on Facebook, Twitter, and Remind for updates. Thank you again, and have a blessed evening.